So in this video we have taken a sheet and folding it up accordingly as you can see in the video. So it is basically the small sheet, and now we are making here a cat face. So putting the more cat face like that, it's a cute umbrella. In the next here we have taken a printed one-sided sheet and folding it up accordingly. Now folding it up on the top, putting it in this way. Any guesses what it could be? It's a frog, and it's done. In the next we have taken a red sheet, circular sheet, folding it up, more colorful sheet like that, putting it together, and now it's time to paste it up. It's an basically umbrella, and using a earbud to make a water drop, and it's ready. In the next here we have taken a cardboard and cutting it up with the shape of heart. Now putting the glue over it and some of the flower pasting over it, and the flower ring is ready. Let's proceed to the next. So here we have taken a white sheet and now making a drawing in this way. So it's a face of someone and coloring it up with the green, making its leg, its hand, putting the plastic, cutting it up, making its cut on its mouth, putting the balloon on the other side of the sheet, putting it together. So it's a bubbly cute face of the cartoon is ready. In the next here we have taken the same sheet in this way we are folding here, and now it's turn to making a box like that, and after this turn putting the ribbon over it. So it's a cute small bag. It's ready. In the next here we have taken a small sheet, cutting it up, now putting it over the green sheet in this way, making a cut on the green sheet, and now putting this green sheet over the white. So it's a cartoon, a cute cartoon is ready. In the next here we have taken a green semicircular sheet, making a cut and putting this cartoon into it who is sitting on the ship. In the next here we have taken a small square shaped sheet, folding it up accordingly as you can see in the video. So basically here we are making a triangle and making more thin layer into it. Now making a cut on the upward side and making its plate like this as you can see. So basically here we are making an interesting thing. So any guesses what it could? So as we can see that how we are using our in very good way. Now taking another sheet, folding it up in this way, using our finger to fold on the each side, folding on the top. So now it's time to put it on the sheet, another sheet. So it's a sword. Isn't it interesting? In the next here we have taken a one side sheet and now folding it up accordingly as you can see in the video, and folding on the downward side, folding again on the upward side. So basically here we are making a line to make it more suitable. So after this done, folding it on the downward side in this way as you can see in the video. Now it's time to fold it on the each side. So just folding it up and folding it up like this. In the next here we have taken a sheet and putting the double tape over it, pasting it in this way, making a fold, making the fold on the each side, making a cut on the corner, and after some time you will get this thing. Now it's turn to bind it up. It's a candy box. Isn't it lovely? It's seen. So it's ready. That's it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.